This lesson is 3.2 in Go Math. It is on estimating the products. The essential question says, what strategies can you use to estimate products? So what we're going to do is start by reading the problem and doing cube. So circle the numbers, underline important information, and box the question. So on average, the Smith family opens the door of their refrigerator 32 times each day. There are 31 days in May. About, that's our clue word, how many times is the refrigerator door opened in May? So we have 32 times in one day and 31 days in the month of May. It's saying about, so about is our clue for doing what? Think and say. Yes, it's to estimate. So we're going to estimate 31 times 32 by rounding. So we underline the highest value and draw our fence. We look over that. 1 tells the 3 to stay the same or to add 1. It says to stay the same, so we have 30 for the 31. We'll do the same thing for 32. Draw our fence right in between. That 2 will tell the 3 to what? Yes, to stay the same, so 30. So 30 times 30. Now we have 3 tens times 3 tens. We can do the song of find the basic fact and you multiply. What is our basic fact? 3 times 3 is 9. Count the zeros 1, 2, and place them close by. So our answer is 900. Now remember, the reason we did that is because it's 3 tens times 3 tens, and that's where the zeros come in. You can see that we have 2 zeros here, and there are 2 zeros in the answer. So the Smith family opens the refrigerator door about 900 times during the month of May. Now, if we go down here to number 1, it says, on average, a refrigerator door is opened 38 times each day. About how many fewer, ooh, that's a clue for something. How many fewer times in May is the Smith family's refrigerator door opened than the average refrigerator door? So we have 38 times, and then we have to look up in the one before when it said, what was the average time? We look over here. Let me change it. It's over here in the blue. On average, the Smith family opens the door of their refrigerator 32 times. So, and it's still talking about a refrigerator door is opened 38 times in May. So we're still doing how many days? How many days are in the month of May? Think and say. 31. Yep, so 31 and 31. Okay, we've already figured out that 32 times 31 is going to be close to 900. Now we just have to round the actual amount here. So it said 38. So if we round 38, that 8 tells the 3 to stay the same or to add 1. Think and say. So add 1, yeah, so 40. And then if we rounded 31, it would be rounded to 30, right? Okay, so now we have 4 tens times 3 tens. We just have to, because we have the 2 tens there, now we just have to do 4 times 3 is, say, 12. So 1200. Now it said how many fewer? How many fewer? So if we have this box here that's 1200, and we have this box here that's 900, how many fewer is this part right here that we have to find out what is the difference? So everyone think in your heads, what are we going to do to get the difference between 1200 and 900? Think and say. Yes, we are going to subtract. So 1200 minus 900. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then we can do 12 minus 9 is 3. So how many fewer times in May? The answer is 300 times fewer. Fewer in May. Okay, good job. Just keep following the same outline. You're going to round to find your estimate. You'll do great.